Hey, what's going on? What's going on, everybody? Street Trading here with a sick trade lesson video for everybody. This thing was a beast mode to the downside. Looking at a 15-minute chart of Blue, B-L-U-E, Bluebird Bio Incorporated healthcare sector. Let's get into it. So, obviously, a lot of these securities in the healthcare sector are pumped up pipe dreams, right? So, but not all, of course. Let's not get it twisted. But these guys have been under some pretty serious pressure for a number of years. And when you wake up to a deep gap down in the market, pre-market, obviously, with the catalyst that was behind the move. And those of you that do not know what had happened, do a Google search. Otherwise, we're going to continue talking about that with our members here shortly. But there were so many characteristics to this short trade that were just screaming all-day fade. From the fundamental aspect of the trade, to the technical aspect to the trade, to the catalyst of the trade. There were so many things pushing this thing down. And it was interesting to see the sentiment, the chatter, not really the sentiment, but the chatter on like Twitter, for example. You see the desperation from the long holders, how they're talking. You can hear their words shaking as they're typing. The desperation. Some of the shit some of these guys were saying this is the emotions we talk about, to see who is in more pain, right? You always got to take the side on the other side of the trade. Think like they're thinking. How are they feeling? Are they happy? Are they sad? Are they nervous? Right? When you take that into your trade idea, your position, changes everything. And reading all of these postings yesterday throughout the session, I mean, it was a fucking gimme to the downside. It was a gimme to the downside on top of the sentiment of the fundamentals, the technicals, the catalyst. Everything put together was just a recipe for a disaster, a nice all-day fade. And that's exactly what we got. So, enough of chatter. Let's get into the levels we ended up risking off of, why we ended up taking it. We'll talk the details and everything like that. Let's get into this beautiful fade. All right, let's get into it right now.